Okay, A2P 10DLC. What does it mean? Why is it important? And how do you get approved as quickly as possible so you can start sending text messages to your prospects, contacts, and clients? We're going to cover all of that in this video. Hello, fellow texters. We're going to demystify A2P 10DLC, what it is, why you need to know about it, and what to expect during the A2P registration process. First, what is A2P 10DLC? A2P stands for Application to Person, and is the standard protocol established by United States lawmakers and carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T to verify businesses and increase SMS messaging, trust, and security. In this case, an application such as your new account here acts as a mediator, working closely with the carriers to send SMS messages from a business to individuals who have opted in to receive that messaging. 10DLC stands for 10-digit long code, otherwise known as your standard 10-digit local number with a local area code. There is no A2P without 10DLC, and A2P 10DLC is the industry standard for safe, fast, reliable, and secure SMS messaging. Add in SMS marketing's 98% open rate, and you've fired up a powerfully effective engagement machine. Multiply that with all the cool features and automations your new software can do, and you just became a business that is a marketing machine. A2P brings the same benefits to every industry, and with the increasing need for security, many online services and platforms rely on A2P to enable two-factor authentication for secure login processes, like sending security codes for account verification. When registering for A2P messaging with any SMS platform, you should be prepared to answer questions regarding your business and the types of messages you intend to send. Unless you're a sole proprietor, you'll also need to have your tax ID number handy, commonly referred to as your EIN. And in rare cases, the TCR will request an EIN confirmation letter to further verify your business. It has also been adopted by all U.S. carriers to maintain trust and security. While A2P registration can take as long as 2 weeks for approval, thanks to our A2P wizard and our close relationship with U.S. cell phone carriers, we often see registrations approved within 48 hours. A2P messaging has revolutionized how businesses stay connected with their audiences. With your new account, you can leverage the benefits of A2P while maintaining security by providing your audiences with a faster, safer, and more reliable experience. Happy texting. Now let's run through the basics. In order to get approval from the TCR and get registered for A2P, you will need a few pieces of information beforehand. You'll need to prepare a landing page that includes all the required verbiage for the registration form, along with templates for your privacy policy and terms and conditions. These pages must include your business information, such as your support email, location, and domain. We will provide you with templates for these if you do not already have them. Make sure to have your EIN letter ready, with your business name, address, and EIN number clearly listed. All the information should match your EIN letter to ensure a quick approval process. We would like you to know that someone from our team will be submitting your A2P registration on your behalf. However, we can't do this until you have completed the necessary steps outlined in this video. The steps are simple. Remember to click on Settings in the bottom left sidebar, then navigate to the Business Profile. Once in Business Profile, scroll to the bottom and look for the 2 checkboxes you see on your screen. They should already be checked, but just double-check to make sure. You will notice the second one should say, "Thanks," plus your friendly business name. If the name is incorrect, that's because it is listed wrong at the top of the screen where you put your friendly business name in previously. If you don't like the messaging, you can customize it, as long as it maintains the same standards as it does now. We suggest that you not alter this until after your A2P has been approved. You're all set. You're now ready for your onboarding specialist to assist you with getting your A2P approved. Congratulations!